birthday girl. I'm not saying you go dance.
Satin pillows on the inside.
This is
Spinning
what it
gears
looks
of
like.
gold make noise. A ballerina with such poise. Too bad her porcelain heart's been broken.
Hi guys, so it's another day and I want to go and have my bath. Then what other thing do I have to do? Okay, I'm going to DHL to send out some errands or some packages today, and after that I have an unboxing that I want to do. I got a LED light yesterday, but I haven't used it at all. I want to unbox it so we can unbox it together. So I want to unbox the LED light. That's what I'm going to be doing when I'm back. So I'm not saying you go dance. Stupid secondary school people. Stupid secondary school people. Meet them. Oh yeah, birthday girl.
This gown is everything. Look,
Oh yeah, give them birthday girl. Twerk it. Oh yeah, give them birthday girl. Fiend. Hey Jesus. That. How for all your husband wey put for again, nko? Even the door self now on another level. Go get as leg serum. So no secondary school this thing dey come again. Why you no call them? Make they see you now. Say rich mama don enter town. Yeah. Yeah, sis. Oh, my brother's in phone. And this girl too, Islamiat. You know they come. Ah, Fatima, people will go beat you much. Just calm down. Damn. And even you yourself, you don't even know. Guys, good morning, and how are you guys doing? So I don't even know if this part of the vlog is going to be in this vlog that you'll be watching. I don't know, maybe it's going to be in another vlog. But yeah, good morning. So this is my last day of gym, and I'm so happy that this is my last day of gym. I'm so happy because I only work out 4 times in a week, and I'm glad that it's not every day. So I have enough time to rest, and I've passed that stage of my body aching me after gym. I don't feel shit again after gym. I just feel normal, like my normal self, and there's no pain, nothing. But the first week was so, and I've been battling acne for I think a week now, probably because of the stress, or probably because I think it's 2 things. So I've been battling acne for like a week now, and I got some new product that I'm using on it. I'll make a review about it. So it's a product that contains salicylic acid. So I'll just talk about it because I noticed a lot of things that happened after I started using it. So yeah, I'll make a review about it, and I'll be more what's it called? I'll just drop my own honest review, what I noticed after using it for you guys, and I hope it helps. So let me just start going to the gym now. I'm already late. This is 7:30 and I'm supposed to be there by 7. So yeah, let's go. It's so freaking good to be done, like done for the week. Now today's Thursday, now I can rest Friday, Saturday, Sunday, then we come back on Monday. So I think that's enough rest for me because I did back to back Monday to Thursday. Yo. So you guys, I want to do an unboxing for this particular light. Yeah, I want to do an unboxing for this light, and just when I wanted to start filming to tell you guys that there is no light so that I can like use this one, that was even what made me want to like unbox it now. So I want to show you guys what's inside. This is what it looks like. I hope it's focusing. I hope you guys can see. This is what it looks like, and it's the professional photo and video LED kit. Yeah, let me just open it to show you guys what's inside. I have opened it already, so I'm not going to pretend like I have not opened it. This is what the inside looks like. This is what is inside. So everything is being wrapped inside the nylon, but because I have charged and I have like tested it to see how it works, so I'm just going to like bring it out one by one so that people are going to see. So this is the light itself. This is the light, and I know it's very small, and when I saw it I wasn't sure I was going to buy it because I'm like, it's very, very small. But by the time they insert the battery, I was like, it's very bright as well and manageable. I don't want a ring light now. I don't want a ring light because ring light is load, and if I had known, I should have even gone for the ring light. If I had known that this pandemic shit, there's no time for it to end, I would have even gone for a ring light. But I was literally running away from load before, so I got it. Has this is the light itself, and it came with this thing as well. This is what I am going to be connecting with this place. I'm going to be connecting it here. When I connect it here, this is where I'm going to just insert on my camera. So the light is going to be facing me like this, and I will insert it on my camera, and it's going to be able to like help me with the lightning. And aside from this, it came with a battery. This is the battery that I'm going to be putting at the back. So then with this battery, you guys definitely know it's going to come with a charger. It is a rechargeable LED light. I don't need light to be able to film. I can charge it, then when there's no light I can always use it. So this is what the charger looks like, and I just plug it. So when I want to charge it, I'm coming and I'll just plug it like this. And let me put the battery at the back of the light so that you guys can see how bright it is. This is the light, and I'm just going to put the battery off. So when I on, you guys can see how Jesus, you guys can see how bright it is, and I can control it as well. This thing will blind me. I'm coming. I can control it to, I know I can control it to give me a yellow tone. Can you guys see that it's giving me another color already? So yeah, this is what it looks like, and it's so bright. So you guys can see me now from that side, and this is another color entirely. Before, I'm just filming with the normal citizen lights. Now this is the light here, and I think this makes a difference, but I can't use this thing. I can't face this thing, like it's too strong, so I have to put my camera far away from me if I don't want to damage my eyes, and I cannot always wear glasses to film all the time. So but this is the brightness. This is what it looks like. Basically this is how it is. And if you want to ask me the price for this retails for 15,000 naira. 15,000 naira. I was able to get a discount of 2k off it because I bought my what's it called, I bought my that was where I got my tripod, that was where I got my mic. I bought like 2 tripods from them. I bought my mic from them, then this again. So they just like put 2k away from me. I know it's small, but it's something. I can't steal that in the market and they will not kill me. So that's just it. And okay, we have to offer you. So you guys can see now that it's off, you can see the difference. But I just hope this does not blind me. But I'm going to be making it stay far away from me, because even if it is a ring light, it has to stay far away from me as well because of my eyes. So this is what it looks like. I just want to unbox it for you people to see in this vlog. So yeah, that's it. So you guys, I just finished making the oil. The blue oil recipe is on my channel, so that's why I didn't even bother filming it. I just want to explain something to you guys, that this is 500 ml of what's it called, of sunflower oil, then one of these, but I didn't finish this one. because I have little left before at home that I had it, so I couldn't finish this one. So 500 ml of your oil, like one of this to one of this, then 200 ml of your vitamin E oil. So that's what I'm using. I didn't finish the third one as well. There's still little left inside. You guys can see there's still little left inside because I need just 200 ml, and one of this is 75 ml actually. So that's why I didn't finish it. And yeah, so 200 ml to one of these to 500 for sunflower oil. For those that want to make larger quantities, that's why I'm explaining this. Normally the recipe is already online, but I think this is very, very easy. Yeah. Okay, so this is the oil. So you guys, this is the soap as well. I just pour everything together, mash it together, and leave it for it to just infuse together. I'm glad to be able to blend well tomorrow. So the only difference between this and the other one is that there is Labijanese oil in this, and there is white balls in this as well as Jarubu as well. So that's what is the difference, just in case anybody wants to ask me. So yeah.